Hey, what's up? It's Marc. If Cabernet Sauvignon is considered to be the king of all wines, then Merlot is definitely the queen. And in some parts of the world, like Saint-Émilion, France, the queen is king. This is my latest weekly tasting pack, and it celebrates the beautiful wines of Saint-Émilion, France. This pack includes 2 high-end Merlot-based wines, including this one here from Chateau Macon Saint-Georges, which comes from the smaller appellation of Saint-Georges Saint-Émilion. And also this more classic approach to Saint-Émilion from the infamous Gaffelier estate. It's getting harder and harder to find high-quality Bordeaux wines at an affordable price, so this pack is definitely a great value. I'd highly encourage you to get your hands on it. As with all of these weekly tastings, you'll get my personal tasting notes, you'll get a full comprehensive tasting along with me, and now we're partnering up with a chef to get you more accessible and easy to make dishes to pair up with these wines. So if you're not that familiar with the wines of Bordeaux or Saint-Émilion, or if you've never had them at all, this is a good pack to get in on. Come join forces with me and become a master of Merlot on this weekly tasting pack all about Saint-Émilion. I'll see you there. Cheers.